Continue class of first video. If we have hard disk, this is hard disk. Hard disk contain different blocks. Hard disk contain different blocks. Hard disk contain different blocks. This is first block, second block, third block, and fourth block. It does not transfer, means hard disk does not transfer single bit, comma, single record, comma, single word, but it transfer a complete block to RAM. This is one block. It does not transfer one word, one bit, one record. It can transfer the complete record to RAM. Okay, complete record to RAM. RAM is main memory. Okay, why we are searching? Okay, why we are searching? File organization is nothing but the way in which the data is organized in hard disk. The data is organized in hard disk, and not only the way in which data is organized in hard disk. How we are searching? How we are searching one record in hard disk, and how we are delete one record or two or more records, insert records, etc. with efficient manner only. How to organize in database? How to organized in database? For example, this is the dbms file, means data file. Okay, this is data file. We already discussed. We have a files consist of sequence of records. Each record consists of fields. This is database file. First one is the roll number, second one age, sex, and other address. Okay, we are divided the blocks. This is block 1, and again another 2 are the block 2, so on up to. Okay, we are storing the 2 records. Okay, this is 2 bytes. Block 1 contains 2 bytes. This is first byte, this is second byte. Block 1 is stored in hard disk, like this is hard disk contain 4 blocks, block 1, block 2, block 3, block 4. These 2 bytes are stored in first block, okay, block 1, and again second will be stored in second block. Means block 1 contain only 2 bytes. These blocks are the collection of blocks. Okay. Explanation. Database file consists of records. Okay. Each record having set of attributes. What is meant by attribute? Here in database file, attributes are roll number, age, sex, address. Not only these 4, so on up to. These are the attributes. First of all, hard disk consists of set of blocks. Block 1, block 2, block 3, block 4. Hard disk consists of set of blocks. The data is stored in the form of blocks. Like 1 block, 2 block means block 2, and so on up to. These blocks is called a file blocks. Or file block, another name is logical entity. Okay. Hard disk consists of number of blocks. Block 1, block 2, block 3, block 4. These 4 blocks are the collection of blocks, or it is a physical entity. Okay. Block 1, hard disk collection of 4 blocks is called the collection of blocks. Another name is physical entity. Block 1, block 2, block 3, block 4 are called the file blocks or a logical entity. And another point, hard disk collection of blocks called physical entity or a collection of hard disk collection of blocks called physical entity. Next, block 1 contain 2 records, like records: roll number, age, sex, address. Block 1 contain two records. In block 1, these two are the 2 bytes. Block 1 contain 2 records. Not only 2 records, more than 3. More than 3 records we have to combine like this. Okay, this is one example we are seeing. Okay. Number of records in a block, we have to count like 2 or 3 or 4. How many? We have to count like this. Number of records in a block. Block means block. Depends on first one, block size. It depends on block size. Second one, size of the record. Size of the record. Okay. How many records contain in one block? It depends upon number of records in a block. It depends upon first one, block size, and second one is the size of the record. How to calculate? How to calculate? Number of records or blocks, two are same, equal to size of block divided by number of records. For example, if block contain, for example, this is block 1. Block contain 512 bytes. If we have to divide the block into 2 records, for example, we have to divide the records into 4, is equal to 128, means 2 power 7. 128 means 128 is called a record. 128 is called a record, can be present in one block. Can be present in one block means we have to store 128 records in block 1. Not only 1, 2 at the 2, 3 at the 3, 4 at the 4. Next. For example, hard disk contain 4 blocks. Hard disk contain 4 blocks. Each block can be stored up to 128 blocks or records. Each block can stored up to 128 blocks or records. How to calculate 128? Like this is file organization.